Hi, Alex. Can you help me, please? My washing machine is broken. Yes, I had to turn it off. It was making a very loud noise. It was noisier than a plane. Is he more experienced than other repairmen? And is he expensive? Perfect. Could you send me his number, please? Thank you so much. You are a better neighbor than I thought. Oh no, what happened? Did you have to turn it off? That doesn't sound good. You should call a repairman. My cousin is a good technician. He can fix it. He is less expensive than the big companies, and he fixed my fridge faster than they did last time. Of course, I will text you. I hope he can come sooner than tomorrow. Don't worry, everything will be simpler with his help.